My son-in-law approached me about opening a restaurant. Me, my daughter, and Marlon, we opened George's. I didn't know nothing about opening a restaurant. Hi, my name is Gretchen, and I'm the proud owner of George's Restaurant.
My mother wanted this to be a legacy for my father.
And his name was George. And we had 3 daughters, and we took a letter from every one of the girls.
They decided to take my second letter, I, my youngest sister, last letter A, and my older sister, first letter S. And we combined that up to get George's. I'm Nika Shoemaker Machado, one of the co-owners of George's Restaurant.
Our food is Southern comfort, and it's home-cooked food.
We don't really have that much of representation of soul food here in Orange County at all. We use food for celebration, we use food to mourn, you know, and those are the type of important things that food represents for us as a culture.
Oh my God, the food I love is pork chops, mashed potatoes, how about ribs? There's nothing like my ribs. I make the best ribs of anybody.
My husband is from Brazil, and we have numerous items on our menu that represent his culture, including our fried chicken, which is our signature fried chicken. We have an interior brine that we do overnight. We season it with herbs and everything, and then we dredge it through buttermilk, and then we coat it with my grandmother's favorite coating of cornmeal, cornstarch, and flour. And there you have your multicultural fried chicken. You know, we have a goal, we set it, and we try to achieve it. And this now has been just 10 years in the making, and it's exciting. We are so delicious. People are gathering around our restaurant tables and enjoying my mother's food just like we used to do during holidays. The recipes are things that I was raised on, and you know, she was such a good cook that, you know, here they are, they're staples in our restaurant here today.